Imagine you turn on your air conditioner expecting a refreshing breeze, but instead it suddenly shuts down. What could be the culprit? Believe it or not, unwanted guests like snakes and pests might be the reason. Yes, your AC could be an open invitation for these sneaky invaders. But don't worry, today we will show you simple yet effective ways to keep them out and protect your cooling system. Hello and welcome to Gharpedia. Today we will show you how to protect your air conditioner from these unwanted guests. But first let us find out how do snakes enter the AC unit. First, through holes or gaps in the wall. When installing a split AC, small gaps or holes are often left unsealed. If not properly closed, these openings become an entryway for snakes and other pests. Always ensure these gaps are sealed with concrete or mortar. Second, through the water drain pipe. If the drain pipe of an AC outlet is left exposed, it can become an easy pathway for snakes looking for shelter, especially during the monsoon season when their natural habitats get flooded. Properly securing these pipes is crucial. Now that we know how snakes enter, let's understand how to keep snakes out of your air conditioner. Here are some effective tips to keep them out. Number 1. Keep the area around your AC unit clean. Snakes are attracted to cluttered areas as these areas are dark and cold. Remove clutter and keep at least a 3-foot clear space around your AC's outdoor unit. Furthermore, remove puddles, holes or other obstructions that cause water accumulation near the outdoor unit. Standing water lures snakes and pests. Number 2. Seal all holes and gaps. Check your AC unit and its surroundings for unsealed holes and gaps. Use concrete or other suitable materials to close the space. Always ensure that the ducts are taped and keep inspecting the same regularly. Number 3. Use net covers for protection. Install nets or mesh covers around the AC's outdoor unit. Nets or mesh covers are the best option to cover your AC unit because they do not disrupt the airflow while keeping pests at bay. Number 4. Secure the drain pipe. Cover drain pipe outlets with net cover to prevent the entry of hatchlings. If you are constructing a new home, consider connecting the drain pipe directly to the house rainwater pipe to prevent snakes from entering. Number 5. Regularly inspect your AC unit. Regular maintenance is the key. Conduct monthly inspections or hire a professional to ensure your AC remains in the top condition and free of pests. Inspect ducts and gaps specifically after repairs. By taking these preventative measures, you can keep your AC unit and your home safe from unwanted reptilian visitors. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more home maintenance tips. And if you have got something to say, leave a comment below. For more expert advice, visit Gharpedia. Thank you.